In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a channel in Slack. This is really helpful if you've been away from your workspace for a while, or if you've just joined a new channel and want to quickly understand what everyone's been talking about without scrolling for ages. We'll walk you through exactly where to click, what options you have, and a few tips to make sure you get the most useful summary possible. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser, and make sure you're logged into the workspace that you want to use. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see your first list of channels. Go ahead and click on the specific channel you want to catch up on. It can be any channel where conversations are happening, like a project channel, a team channel, or a support channel. Once the channel's open, you'll see the main conversation area in the middle of your screen showing all the messages. You also have the option to start from a specific message rather than the entire channel. This is useful if there's a particular point in the conversation that matters to you, like the beginning of a project thread or an announcement from a manager. To do this, find the message you care about in the channel, hover your mouse over that message so the small message actions appear around it. You don't need to click anything just yet. Just make sure you can clearly see that message and it's the one that you want to summarize from. Next, look for the three dots icon, often labeled as more actions. You'll usually find these three dots either at the top right of the channel in the header area or next to the message you just hovered over. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This opens a menu with several options related to that channel or message. In this menu, look for the option that says something like Summarize Conversation or Summarize Channel. The wording can vary slightly depending on your version of Slack, but it will clearly mention summarizing. Click on that option. Slack will then process the conversation and generate a concise summary based on recent messages or the selected thread. Give it a moment to work and then review the summary that appears. You can use this to quickly understand the key decisions and actions that your team has been discussing while you were away. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.